got it, YouTube. These niggas got it, yo. Fuck, they was having cigarette battles out this, yo. What the fuck? No, nigga, it's like 1,000 of these joints, bro. Fuck, they was having cigarette battles out this bitch. What the fuck? Y'all niggas need to stop smoking these cigs, nigga. They was walking right out the door. Bro, let me take these fucking headphones out, bro. Don't promote these fucking headphones. Hold on, let me take these shits out. We're not gonna promote these, nigga. Ain't no fucking sponsor, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Any headphone company you want to promote me, you mean? I'm a good ass client. Like, get your shit. Bumming. Usually fuck with me, but nah. It's like, bro. It's like a fucking haul of fucking cigs, though, bro. Like, you walk down this bitch, it's a haul of cigs, bro. Like, what the fuck? Y'all need my hair done. I'm scared it. Hold up. Hold up. Nah, this is definitely a whole of cigs, though. I need my hair done. All it, bro. I'm waiting for this nigga hitting right now, though. It's Tuesday. School day, feel me? Little RTA bit. Hold up. I write this shit off, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey. Damn, bitch. She gonna make it all, bro. She not responding to that. Hey. Fuck. She probably, cause she don't speak her English. Damn, what the fuck, bro? Let's join me again. Like, bro. Don't try to get RTA thinking that shit, like, you mean? Well, definitely don't try to get a white joint. That shit. I'm a dickhead for getting a white joint. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably get a black joint. I'm gonna get a black joint, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm pop though. So it's like, I be buying with shit like every 5 months or so. I don't got no cheese, bro. I pop out for this shit like, probably every week. One day, every week. You hear me? I'm not even fleshy today. Damn, this shit really, like, man. But nah, though, I got the fucking RTA bip on with the little plate jeans. You hear me? Mamba shoes. RP Kobe, you hear me? That shit Kobe. Girl say you want me? That shit Kobe. I don't want you. You hear me? But nah, though. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. Damn, this shit really, like, they just collect that fucking, like, earth herbs, nigga. Earth carbs, nigga. Like, I'm walking and collecting earth carbs, bro. Oh my man. That's how they, man. I'm not gonna see it, man. Hey. She not trying to respond to me. I'm a cooker. Boy. Yeah, I got the can with me. I should leave my low. Fuck, I don't leave my location. Nah, I need my hair done. Like, why that shit standing up like that? Oh! They coming in on fast this shit. But you know, I don't give a fuck though. But they not gonna hit me, nigga. I'm unhittable, nigga. Nah, if they hit me, I'll be T, bro. Why the fuck you ain't slow down? You know I'm walking out in the road recklessly and shit. You ain't slow down, bro. Why the fuck you don't hit me, bro? Like, where the fuck he is? Yeah, he talking about he down the street. My son, I say where he at, he talking about down the street. I said, alright, dude, I don't wanna steal you. I really don't. Like, bro, I don't care that, man. Shit just be weird, bro. Shit just be extra weird. Well, I see one of my old bitches. Shit just be extra weird, though, bro. Nigga, I'm not trying to be late, bro. Cause you know I'm a good boy. My mom gonna beat my ass on late. She gonna be like, how the fuck you get to school early and you late? The fuck you was doing? Fuck he walking off, fuck him, he stealing? Look the other way. I probably hit y'all niggas gonna hand me here, bro. Cause this nigga ain't even taking long as shit. I don't want bro. GTA though, bro. GTA, I don't wanna do that to him, bro. That shit get extra bad. That shit is super bad. Well, I fits looking over here, bro. I be mad as shit if I was him. That move this shit. This almost. Oh, that y'all really crazy. Come here. Come here. Look, this how we. Alright, first person, bro. Where the fuck he is? Yo, where's niggas at, bro? I'ma fucking steal his, yo. I'ma steal him when I see him, bro. Oh my man. I'ma steal him. I'ma hit y'all, bro, when he come, bro. I'm gonna steal y'all, man, bro. Bro, we in school, bro. You my man. Niggas had testing, bro. Like, y'all see me early as shit in the morning, and I had testing for 2 hours, bro. Not 3 hours, man. We don't got no bite right there. We doing a lighter method in the fucking bed. The BART, the yard needs to charge this the only one. Like, I am. Ticket Trench, you my man. I'm acting like I'm pissing each other.
I tried. Did it? I got like a line of 4 for me.
This shit being a little bit. Or this shit big. This shit being. You there? Get your big. Get your big. Give me your more tip. I'm about to hit y'all when I go to the class, please. That's not Wednesday check.
Yo, shut up.
Look, this my object. This what I bring. Cause this really my book. Let me see. Show them the TikTok, bro. Girl, show them the TikTok.
You do this sound. Bro, you gotta do it too.
What's that, John?
We gotta do Gaming Wednesday.
Alright, I got you. That's how I do the Gaming Wednesday. See, I did it, John. Y'all not doing it right. Y'all doing some bullshit.
What
Destiny
are you doing?
jumping and shit.
Sorry,
Like, fuck is you doing, boy?
I just have like a jump. I can't have a jumping feeling. No jumping feeling.
You got a jumping feeling? You not gonna have a jumping feeling soon. You gonna be old as shit, nigga. You know that, right?
TikTok.
Shooting the leg, look like they're getting sound.
Nope, I don't. No.
Like, why you can't just freestyle, bro? Y'all always do these challenges, like. Niggas never trying to freestyle shit. Like, we got an auditorium with it. Look. Yeah, auditorium with it, like. Look at this background. Niggas never trying to freestyle, they never try.
Yeah,
I can't hear you.
I got 2 phones. This making my pocket. Yo, I only got money, bro. It gotta be my money making my pockets go down, not my phone. We out here.
What is this?
Pockets fit as shit. Pockets fit as
4
shit.
pockets full.
Dumbass youngins.
I'm ordering you.
Sadie Penner. Kamara Cooper Grace. Who is Destiny Joyner?
DJ.
DJ. I'm gonna punch that.
Oh, sorry. No.
I'm about to be by myself on the trip. Say now. Y'all niggas are bots, man.
Yo, you're mad irritated.
What are you talking about? Do the dance.
Mad dick. That was
Destiny, watch your fucking
I just
mouth.
said that was rude. Don't make me take it back.
I want to take it back personally.
Bro, you
I want to take it back personally.
Dude, look at my man Jay. Yo, he about to go try hard in basketball gym. He about fucking big. Yo.
You know that one?
I went to MA concert in my dreams yesterday, guys.
In your dreams.
Yesterday.
Keep dreaming.
Watch your mouth.
Oh my god.
Yo, look at their feet.
I can't even see my feet.
I said, look at your feet. Megan Thee Stallion came and showed they shit. Her shit. I can show my shit. Megan Thee Stallion, take it out the gym.
I'll show you tomorrow when I get my toes. I get my toes done today.
I'll take my toes off.
Yeah.
My toes
Okay.
are cute.
Megan Thee Stallion can't do that though. That's what I'm saying.
Not too much.
My toes are cute.
Ready now, now?
Okay. Yo, Nana, what if I really fucking toes up, Nana?
Bro, my toes is not.
Guys, should I do it to her, guys?
What's your?
My toes aren't ugly.
Yeah, they fire. When you get your toes done?
Myself.
I said, when you get it done,
Last week.
I'm gonna steal you.
Oh?
Are you ready? What time is it? Bro, this the day when fast as shit. Like, do we have testing tomorrow?
Yes.
What?
Your name might not be on there, but I know.
Nah, I don't think my name on there, bro. Cause wait, did you have a test still in your job?
Yeah, because I didn't do the testing at all.
Oh yeah,
But people failed it. That's why they were taking it.
Oh yeah, they sent my mom a joint. It was like shit, I'm on like pre-K shit, like I'm dumb as shit.
What are you?
Who that shit? Fuck, they like a mungus. Yo, you like a mungus bitch. What the fuck is you doing, yo boy? You like a mungus character, dickhead. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, she my bitch. I'm gonna be a Cartier shot. I see that every time. Every rip. Oh, your chest. Yo, bro. We gonna be a YouTuber? Yeah, I ran this bitch for ooh, a baby. Hey, yo, Amy. Yeah. I'm about to put some of that. My bit, yeah. I look good though, like. Nah, you look chips, bleed. Nah, I'm done. Like a bit. He said I look chips. You know, they can't even see my face, man. I'm gonna blur it out, nigga.
You gonna blur it out? You want some nut shit? You gotta blur my shit out too. We got this weenie ass niggas over here. This how you be recording your music videos? I be like this. I be like.
Nah, we don't record music videos.
Back up, bro.
Yo, that's how the young will be. Bro, that's how we be. Bro, the one point I record usually, our music videos, he dead dude be like that, bro. Holding that shit, closest shit to the chest.
Hey, I'm a cameraman though. You don't think so?
I can't find shit, bro.
Get out, bro. Nah, you better kick him out. Yeah, bro, get out, bro.
Oh, wait, who's spawn camping? I'm about to build.
Yeah, what you doing? You gotta get out now. You taking all our shit. Who is yours?
Nah, that's him.
It's yours, bleed?
Nah, that's you. I'll pour some.
You can have it, bro. I give it to you.
Oh, or
I don't know why you.
What
made you?
You hear this shit? Nah, I put,
on some high shit.
nigga, I put it in this.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Why you so cheesy, nigga? You cheesy ass nigga. But is it recording? You gotta really get him, like, I'm over fried. I'm chilling, bro.
No, when I say Captain,
You over fried.
That don't be having no type butter in her.
Who? He don't believe that himself, hand me.
I
Nah, they do be having that shit in here.
So where's that?
Which one? Which one you want?
They could play right there.
Which one you want? Which one you want?
Oh, she got busted?
Nah.
That's your girlfriend?
That's a baby girl.
Oh, yeah, let me get it. Bro, you got
I don't got her.
Let me see mine.
Let me see. I'm about to go get my teacher. I'm about to go get my
Let me see. I'm about to
teacher. That's my camera right there.
I take cam. Shirley, say what's good to the cam. Weave, just weave.
the camera shot.
You shy? Get me in there.
She shy. Get him in there. Get him in there.
We got the big. We got a little bitch right here. We got baby bitch. And we got a little bitch right here.
They look alike. Yo!
and use your own mouth? No.
Yo, he did a quick one.
Yo, miss. You wanna be in my YouTube video, miss? Miss, you wanna be in my YouTube video? You wanna be in my YouTube video?
Huh?
You wanna be in my YouTube video?
I don't know.
Oh, nah.
Whose camera is
You
that?
don't wanna be in my YouTube video?
I got a neck block.
You don't wanna be in my YouTube video? Then we got Brandon.
Nah, we're right, bro. This be creative.
Alright, yo, Hammy, we gonna keep this in here for today, alright?
Nah, give that back to the
This shit gonna break in here.
Nah, Ham, you should record a video in here one day.
No,
Yeah, I'm gonna give you the cam.
I'll do it Monday.
What? I got it everything. I'm gonna give you the. Alright, Monday? Say no more. Alright, nigga.
Yeah, learn nigga back. Yo. Excuse me. He said you look good. My boy right here.
Oh, no, I did not.
Yes, he did.
Why you running?
Why you running, girl?
Because she don't look good.
Oh! He talking about because she don't look good. Yo, bleed. Ew, bro, I gotta bring the camera back to the class and shit. All that other shit, like, this shit really get big. Damn, what the fuck? This shit really get big, like. Come here. Oh yeah, made it. Now we about to put this shit the fuck up. Nah, niggas definitely. Nah, niggas gonna be getting studios in there. Bleed it. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't care about the dado shit.
You do more.
Take some another ball stuff.
How the fuck do you get this air?
I just put that shit on my book bag on the wall and he was like,
He's trying to ghost.
he's got it.
Oh, what you got? Y'all don't be ghosting each other?
No. Usually I need, so he just be blowing it. Yeah, we not even supposed to. I don't even know. I mean, I just be inhaling it. I just be blowing that shit out my. Yeah, I just be having fun.
Hit me though, like he said to do that.
Pete, we on that.
Nah, that shit hit me though. When I boosted that shit. Shit my chest.
That shit hit. shit close.
Oh, they fucking smoke, you hear me? The camera about that. But I'm definitely gonna be some ACGs.
I'm trying to wear my Bottegas tomorrow, but I'm also trying to wear my Casulis.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow.
I'm gonna fucking wear both.
I know I'm wearing I'm wearing Casulis and Balenciaga still coming up. I don't know a shirt. I like arcade shit. Niggas shooting a rapper vlog tomorrow. Niggas been slamming that shit.
Yeah, I always got rappers out.
Nah, that shit is banging. Nigga posted a video about that shit.
You see niggas be sparking up every day in the morning.
Alright. Niggas be look.
You fake me driving, chill. Ew. 2.2, dickhead.
Niggas gotta get another rapper vlog tomorrow. Niggas gotta keep beating.
And I seen who's like Lil Nas 9?
Nah, Lil Jizz.
Lil Jizz 9?
Yeah, and Baby Pop.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, fucking Pablo number 9. I said Baby Pop.
Oh nah, I'm peeping at some other boy named Nas, but
Yeah, it was some
yeah,
nice.
I was looking at Nate Jones. I ain't even peeped. He made some shit with Spaz.
Oh yeah. I just made some shit with Amen. That's
Yeah,
Amen.
bro, it's dead something or something, bro.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I started getting the.
That's Lil Jizz. Nah, that shit was, bro.
Oh, bro.
When you go home, search up Spaz Flow, bro. That's such a song called Spaz Flow. That shit being.
That shit different. And I whacked this bull for birthday, kid. Follow TMZ Dispo on Instagram and let me use your account so I can whack him again for the new screen. I need that shit right now, yeah. He got the new screen Muha. Yo, we need that shit. We need that shit, bloody.
It's a new moolah?
The new screen Muhas.
What the?
I mean,
They got the screen on it now?
yeah.
Never.
And then it's like it's golden, bro. Search that shit.
Let me see if my man got that shit.
Search up Muha V3. Your man don't got that shit. Your man don't got that shit.
Sprinkles.
Muha V3. Fuck. Hold up. Screen. We might gotta go on TikTok with it. Hold up. Look.
What the fuck? No way.
Yo,
Nah,
dickhead.
that shit. He got that shit?
Worry. Everything that you want will come. You'll win some and lose some, but you'll appreciate life. But don't worry.
That's it, bud.
Everything that you want
telling you.
will come.
We need this shit. You always show me.
Nah, my man's definitely gonna grab it too. I'm gonna send it to
You know I to this shit right to the face. You know I shot be gushing with the game. I like growing up, I just wanna slow the game. I like why they left full head could slow it on the feet. You know I told myself I'ma do this better. I just keep on falling in the road. I keep on doing all the wrong. I know my guys see my wrong. I keep doing the shot, know the shit. You know I smoke him right out of the bowl.